Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix receive contact information. So guys, if you try to share contact with the others through name drop, it's showing that receive contact information. You cannot share your contact with the other mobile phone. So how can you fix it guys? Just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your phone app and just simply you have to tap on my card. Now from here you have to tap on edit and just simply you have to add your email. Okay guys, just simply you have to add your email here. Once you have added guys, just simply you have to go back and try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you have turned off aeroplane mode, and also make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. Okay guys, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, just simply you have to remove the case from your phones. Okay guys, so if you want to share the contact information with two phones, then you need 11 Pro or above models. Okay guys, so you need to do that by following this way. Okay guys, just simply you have to check both of these things to share contact with the other mobile through name drop. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.